So everybody has already used PowerPoint in class 4. Now in this chapter we will be learning some more effects of PowerPoint, that how can you add transitions, how can you add animations. So let's start. Everybody is already aware of how to create a presentation. Now let's understand applying themes. We will be starting from this topic, applying themes. So first let's apply a theme. First I'm going to open a presentation. Okay. So after opening presentation, first of all, the first thing which you always do is you have to choose a theme for your slides. So you should always take a common theme for all your slides. So for choosing the theme, you will go to the design tab, and from there, these are the themes available. You can choose any of the theme. So for example, I am choosing, let's say, this theme, but I don't want to continue with this green color. I wanted to change, make some changes in the color. Then, so if you wanted to change the color of the slide, then you will go to colors option and choose a color which you want. You can choose any of the color, like let's say I wanted to choose, okay, let's say I wanted to make this one, so I will choose this. And even if you wanted to choose more background styles you wanted to change, then you can choose it from here. These are the different background styles, right? So you can make all these changes from here. Now I wanted to add one more slide. I'll go to the home tab and click on this new slide button and choose a design for your slide. Now let's say I wanted to add a slide with a picture, so I will choose this one. So here I am going to insert a picture, and here I can add a text, right? Now let's say I also don't like this color. I wanted to make a gradient color, or even if I wanted to change the background, then how can I do that? Go right click on your slide, go to the format background. Now in the format background, you have many different options. Either you can make a solid fill, आप कोई भी color choose कर सकते हो, and your slide will appear in the same color. So either you can do it like this. Second option is gradient fill. You can choose a gradient also for your slide. Your slide will appear like this in that case. Here also like many different colors are coming. आपको अगर कोई color change करना है, let's say मुझे जो last वाला blue है, I wanted to change that color and I wanted to make it the green shade. I can do that changes also. Or if you wanted to make it a yellow shade, so you can do those changes also. ठीक है? And you can choose a different type of shades also. Gradient, this is called as gradient when the mixture of colors, 2 3 colors are coming, so this is called as gradient. So you can choose a gradient, you can choose a picture in the background also, and you can make a pattern also. So that is your choice how you are going to do. I'm choosing right now gradient. If you wanted to apply the same for all the slides, you can click on apply to all, and the same will appear for all your rest of the slides also. Now let's say I wanted to, uh, this is how we can apply the themes. Now inserting text into the placeholder. This is very easy. This you already know. If this is a placeholder, placeholder is the area where you can enter your text. So to enter the text into the placeholder, you just have to click on in the placeholder and then you can start typing simply. And if you wanted to move this placeholder, then you have to click on the borders, the dotted borders of the placeholder. These dotted borders, you have to click here and then drag it wherever you wanted to move, right? So in this way, you can move it. Next is after inserting text into the placeholder. Next is applying text effects. How can we apply the text effects? So if I wanted to change the colors, or I can go to the format tab. These are the different types of effects which I can use. Let's say I wanted to use this effect, and then I want a color white for my text. And these are the other effects. You want a shadow or not, you wanted to make your text glowy or not, you wanted to make some transitions like this, you wanted to rotate, मतलब कि आपको कैसे दिखाना है, so you can choose all these designs, right? So this is how it will keep on changing. Next is, after the text effects, applying text effects. Next is changing the background, which I have already shown you. How can you change the background? Next is adding pictures to the slides. Now, how can we add the pictures to the slide? This is very simple. If you have to insert a picture here related to force, you can first search for a picture, force. Now we can have three different types of images. First, I am direct writing only force, and then let's check which type of images are coming. Go to images. Now these types of images are coming. Let's open this image. You can copy this, right click, copy this, go to your slide and paste it by pressing Ctrl plus V. Ctrl plus V is for paste. And you can then arrange this picture. If you wanted to crop the extra portion, extra white portion of this picture, you can go to the format tab. You can click on crop button and then you can crop the area. Like this, and again click on crop button now and adjust it in your slide like this. This type of image is called as JPG image, which is also having a white color background in it. Let's change the background of the slide so that you can, I am going to change the design right now so that you can see. Format background, gradient, okay, apply to all, close. Okay, so this type of image is having a background with it, white color background with it. So this type of image is called JPG image. After that, next type of image which you can insert in a PowerPoint is PNG images. PNG images are those images which don't have any background with it. So let's say, how do I know which image is a PNG image or which image is not a PNG image? So I have to click on the image. If after clicking on the image, if the checkboxes will appear in the background of the image, then it's a PNG, otherwise it is not. So there is no checkboxes in the back at the back of this image, so it is not a PNG. But sometimes you will also notice these types of images which is having a checkboxes before opening the image. Before opening the image, checkboxes are coming. So these, make sure these types of images are also not called as a PNG image. इनके पीछे बैकग्राउंड होता है चेक बॉक्सेस वाला. आप अगर ओपन करो इमेज और फिर चेक बॉक्सेस आए, देन ओनली इट्स अ पीएनजी इमेज, अदरवाइज इट इज नॉट. अब ये वाली इमेज में हमारे पास ओपन करने के बाद आए हैं चेक बॉक्सेस, सो इट मींस इट्स अ पीएनजी इमेज. नाउ आई कैन कॉपी दिस इमेज and paste it, delete the previous one and paste this image. Sometimes you will also not be able to paste it in this way. So in that case, what you have to do is right click on your image and then click on save image and save it in your computer first. If you are not able to directly copy and paste in the PowerPoint presentation, in that case, you have to save the image first. So I am saving it in D drive, primary classes, pictures folder. Now the image is saved. Let's open it from there. This is the image. Copy it and paste it in your presentation now. Now this is a type of image which is not having any background with it. White color का background नहीं आ रहा है इस image के पीछे. ठीक है. अब ऐसे ही हमारे पास एक ये भी image थी. Same image है. Copy it. I am going to copy it and paste it in my presentation. Okay. I'm not able to paste. So save image. Copy. Paste. Both images are same images, but one image is having transparent background with it and the other one is not having any transparent background with it, right? So this you have to identify yourself कि कौन सी image के पीछे background है और कौन सी के पीछे नहीं है. Now this is a JPG image and this is a PNG image. PNG images are not having any background with it. ठीक है. आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कौन सी JPG है कौन सी PNG है? You have to click on the image first. Like I was looking for this image. So you have to click on the image first. If the checkboxes will appear after clicking, if the checkboxes will appear in the background, then it is a PNG. Otherwise, it is not. तो यहाँ पर नहीं आए हैं, तो it is not a PNG image. Let's open this one. Now the checkboxes are coming at the background, so it means it's a PNG image. Now next type of images after PNG, next type of image is GIF image. Now GIF images are those images which maybe they are having a background, but they must have animation in it. So we are looking for force GIF, and I am opening this image. Now there is some animation in this image. So this is a PNG, sorry, GIF image. GIF images are having animation in it. Copy this image. I'm going to save it in the same slide so that you can see the difference. इसको यहाँ लगा देते हैं अभी. Okay, now let's check one more image. Now I want the image to be animated, but there should not be any background with it. तो मुझे अब GF भी चाहिए और PNG भी चाहिए, दोनों एक साथ चाहिए. Now let's check this one. Checkboxes are not coming in the background, so it is not a PNG image. This is also not a PNG image. This is also not a PNG image. It's a PNG image, but there is no animation in this image, so it is not a GIF. And I am looking for a image type of image which is also not having any background and it should also have some animation like this one. There is no background in this image, but animation is there. So this type of image is a combination of GIF and PNG. Now let's copy it and paste it in presentation. Now let's check all four types of images. There is an animation in this image. This type of image is called as GIF image. There is no animation in this, but there is no background also. So this is called a PNG image. This image is also having animation and there is no background also. So this type of image is called as GIF as well as PNG. And this is JPG type. I hope it is clear to everyone what are the all different types of images are there. Okay, so now we have seen how to change the background also, how to insert the pictures also. Next is using transitions and using animation. Transition means what? Transition means how you go from one slide to another slide. Let's say this is my first slide and I'm creating a duplicate copy of the same slide. And from here, I am removing these two images and this text box also. Delete, select and delete. And from this slide, I am removing these two images, right? So transition means how your first slide will come and then second slide will come. So that is known as transition. So after first slide, how your second slide will appear on your screen. So this is called as transition. So I will go to my second slide, go to the transition tab, and these are the different ways your second slide will appear. So you can choose any of the style. These are the different styles you want your second slides to appear. Let's say if I'll choose this one, then my second slide will appear in this way after the first slide. So this is called as transition. Transition means how your next slide is coming on the screen. You can choose any of the style. It is totally up to you how and which style you are using, right? Next is you can also choose कि आपको जो second slide आएगी वो automatically आएगी or you will press a mouse, you will press a key from the keyboard or you will press something from mouse, then only it will come. So if there will be a tick on mouse click on the right hand side in this menu, if there will be a tick, तो it means जब जब तक आप प्रेस नहीं करोगे your next slide will not come. Otherwise आप क्या कर सकते हो, आफ्टर यहाँ पे टाइम सेट कर सकते हो. आफ्टर 3 seconds योर नेक्स्ट स्लाइड शुड कम. तो लेट्स प्ले नाउ. चेक करते हैं 3 seconds के बाद नेक्स्ट स्लाइड आ रही है या नहीं. ओके, आफ्टर 3 more seconds duration of the first slide is very long. Okay, so I have to reduce this duration also, make it 0.25 and now play. This duration also reduce, 0.25 is fine and play. ओके सॉरी, दे आर आस्किंग अबाउट द ट्रांजिशन. जो आपकी स्लाइड चेंज हो रही है उसका क्या टाइम होगा, उसकी क्या ड्यूरेशन है, हाउ मच टाइम इट विल टेक. तो यहाँ पे इसका टाइम तो 2 seconds का ही होगा, वो बहुत कम हो गया था पहले, तो 2 seconds का ही होगा. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज ट्रांजिशन. नेक्स्ट इज एनिमेशन. एनिमेशन मीन्स आपकी स्लाइड का कंटेंट कैसे आएगा. दिस इज द कंटेंट ऑफ माई स्लाइड. I can give effects to this. I can go to add animation, click on animation pane first, so that all your animations should appear here. Now click on add animation. अब आप बताओगे कि इस वाली इमेज की एंट्रेंस कैसी होगी. दिस इज फॉर एंट्रेंस. सो एंट्रेंस कैसी चाहिए आपको? आई वांट इट इन अ wheel shape or random bars or grow and turn, or what type of you animation you want, zoom in or scroll or bounce. ठीक है, जैसी भी आपको चाहिए that you can choose. And then second one, this should come in what way? Entrance choose करना है हमने. So I want bounce. Now let's play this slide. This is how your first image will come and this is how your second image will come, right? uh, you can also click on this one, the second animation, and you can choose start after previous. तो जैसे ही first वाली खत्म हो जाएगी, second वाली should automatically come. So start after previous. Now check first and second one, right? So like this you can choose, and then you can choose अब आने के बाद till what time they will stay on the slide. So it should remain timings 2 seconds हमने चूज किया हुआ है. 2 seconds मतलब कितना टाइम लगेगा इसको आने में. ठीक है, तो दैट यू कैन इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज अकॉर्डिंग टू योर रिक्वायरमेंट. ठीक है. Okay, next is, now this is how you can add the animation effects. Next topic is inserting audio and video in your slide. So from this part of the chapter we will be doing in the next class now. We have done till animation effects till now. So whatever the topic I have given to you, you can start with your presentation. You can add the animation effects, you can add transition effects, how to insert audio. You can also record your own audio, and you can also record your own video, and then you can insert it in PowerPoint presentation also. But how to do that, that we will see in the next class now.